Assalamualaikum and good evening. Okay, today we are going to cook chicken chop with mushroom sauce. Chicken chop is actually very typical Asia. It's even created in this region and only known among this region. However, it still have the influence of Western cooking, which is veal schnitzel. Okay, first of all, we are going to marinate our chicken. The ingredient that we need is boneless chicken thigh, pepper, white pepper powder, salt, and Lei and Perrine sauce. Okay, just add a little amount of pepper, salt, and Lei and Perrine sauce. After that, you have to rub all around your chicken. Okay, and then we have to keep it for about 10 to 15 minutes in order to allow the ingredient to absorb into the chicken thigh. Okay, while we marinate our chicken, we can prepare our mushroom sauce. This is the ingredient that we need to prepare mushroom sauce: butter, finely chopped garlic, roughly chopped onion, bay leaf, dried shiitake mushroom, demi-glace, salt, white pepper powder, heavy cream, white roux, and little amount of water. Okay, first of all, we need to heat our pan and then add butter, allow it to melt, and then saute garlic, onion, and bay leaf. Stir it for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's golden brown. It's actually, you can use any type of mushroom, but for this time I'm using shiitake because it has a very strong flavor. You stir it 3 to 5 minutes to let it soft. After that, we need to pour in demi-glace, and then add small amount of water. Let it simmer until the amount reduces, and meanwhile we can cook our chicken and deep fry. Okay, next step, we will cook our chicken, but before we fry it, we have to coat it with these 3 ingredients, which is flour, egg wash, and breadcrumb. What you need to do is take your chicken, coat it with flour, followed by egg wash, and the last one is coat with breadcrumb. This process called standard breading procedure. And last step is we will deep fry it until it's golden brown. Okay, next, after our sauce reduce a bit, we have to add the thickening agent. This is the trick to add our thickening agent to avoid lumpy. Okay, take small amount of the sauce liquid, put it into a bowl, and then add the roux, and then whisk it until it's well blended. This process called tempering. Okay, after that, we will pour back into our sauce. Then whisk it to mix it well. And you need to add heavy cream to enhance the flavor. Okay, last step is we have to season our sauce. Add small amount of white pepper and salt. Whisk it again. And simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes until it reaches the right consistency. Okay, to complete the whole dish of our chicken chop, we have to serve it together with vegetables. Okay, today I'm using baby corn, carrot, sweet peas, broccoli, and baby asparagus as a garnishing. And we need to saute it with a small amount of chopped garlic and butter. Okay, after we heat the pan, we have to add butter and saute it, chopped garlic, stir it, and add our vegetables. This veggie we have to blanch it first to make it softer, and you can add dry herbs to enhance the flavor. Just saute it for about 1 to 3 minutes. Okay, this is the last step, which is we've already cooked our mushroom sauce, sauteed veggie. And as we know, to serve a whole main course, we have to serve it together with vegetable, starch, and sauce. So today we are using a mashed potato. It's very simple to prepare. You only need to boil a whole potato, and after it cooks, peel off the skin, mash it, add a little amount of salt, pepper, butter, and cream, and mix it well, and this is the final result. Or you can use normal starch for chicken chop, which is French fries. Okay, first of all, take your plate, scoop a little of mashed potato, and I will arrange the vegetables nicely. It's better for you to use 3 types of veggie that have a different color, because we need to enhance the appearance of our dish. Okay. And then, because the size is quite huge, so we have to cut it into 2. This is a very juicy chicken. And last one, we have to place it, our chicken, on top, and add our garnishing, the baby asparagus. Okay, if you plan to serve your dish immediately after you cook, you can pour it on top of the chicken. But if you want to serve it later on, you have to put it around, because to avoid soggy.